even know how to grab that. Look at that good shark. That looks good.
Welcome back to Picture Us Rolling. I am on my way to work. I'm getting dropped off. My mom and my dad still here, believe it or not. So they're gonna go and have a little lunch at my job and showing myself this way look funny, huh y'all? I gotta get used to this thing. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and gotta get in the car, okay? You wanna be on camera? Well, you say look at him.
Who that?
The vlog.
Up in Indiana.
Yep. So we're gonna get Jason in his truck and we're gonna get our day started. And y'all just gonna come right along with us. Alright. I know I got y'all all up in my grill. Let's start the car. Whoosh! Whoosh! I'm being a little.
You know it's cold. I say yeah, it's cold out here.
Sure is. Getting this day started.
So y'all, we at Ninfahall job right now, y'all can see. Harvest bread, mom and dad. Look for something to eat. About to eat something before we go out. Put something in our stomach. Because we ain't eat no breakfast, so yeah. I'm gonna show y'all what we put to get, so. Oh, I don't know if y'all can see that. Nah, they ain't gonna see because of the light. But yeah, that's what I got. I'm gonna show y'all the sandwich what we got. Y'all, we gonna see what this sandwich look. It look good. Oh, that's how the sandwich look like, y'all. Ooh, that look good. That's the turkey chili cheddar melt or batter. Oh, I ain't get the chili peppers. Oh. I don't even know how to grab that. Look at that good shark. That look good. Y'all got Mukbang breakfast.
Tomato bisque. Tomato bisque. With fresh homemade croutons. Spicy bacon. Spicy apple bacon.
Only on Indiana. Oh, really? Yeah. See that? They ain't put the spice on there. Great Harvest Mukbang, y'all. What? Great Harvest Mukbang.
Tomato bisque is real good. It's delicious. It's thick, creamy. Oh boy, this is really good. We're having lunch. But you can have more if you want. I believe this will be a hot roll up to dinner.
We got banana, white,
It's thick. How thick it is. Thick and rich, but not chocolate. That you can drink it slow. Yum.
Yeah, that's my go-to sandwich too. Oh man.
This is delicious. Tell anybody watching that lives here in Indiana, in Evansville, come on down to Great Harvest and get your nice sandwich, salad, some desserts.
I go to the Great Harvest near you because the people, they got it in Michigan and stuff like that too.
Oh, yeah?
Wow.
Same company or just different owners?
Just a company, like a franchise.
Okay.
Another bite?
Yeah, both of these good. Yeah, Lord.
Thank you, ma'am. Jason's sandwich was good. Tomatoes. You have the same thing. It's just his.
I just don't have
The pepper.
Don't have the peppers. So good.
Yeah, I can see I can eat half of one. I can be usually full.
Yeah, that's why I have a half a sandwich. And Nika asked me, do I want a half a sandwich? And she knew probably I'd eat a half. Oh. This is good. Yum. Look at my cheese. Yum. Look at this. This one. Huh? This one. I want a bread pudding to go. Huh? I want a bread pudding to go.
I'm done, y'all.
You know what fucking rocking up? Rocking up the phone on here.
See, we don't leave nothing.
Nothing for me, not for Mikey.
So this is going your thing today?
Yeah.
You're like, go there now.
Good. Man, I'm going to get next time.
Let's try this. It's cold time.
Last bite.
I ain't gonna be fit for nothing now. I'll be too good.
I may not want that to eat some this time.
Yep.
Exactly. It's gonna be probably real light.
You can like start eating corn dog.
Yeah. Put some chicken wings in the oven.
Yep.
How about that?
Yep, good. That hit the spot.
This is a nice place. Just to sit down, enjoy a cup of coffee, a cup of soup, a sandwich, a salad. Real nice.
Oh, you didn't like
Really, really good. B, you want another bite?
Well,
Yeah.
that's
You say no, eat all. All of it.
Eat it all.
Well, y'all say bye to Nifa. Nifa leave up. Say bye, babe.
I'm on camera, man. I show up my sandwich like.
Well, y'all, we're just leaving Nifa at work. We're on our way to Walmart to get a couple of things so we can make this crunch wrap. Well, I will put that in the vlog. It might not be today. I don't know. We'll figure it out though. But we doing it tomorrow, so 9-10, we doing that tomorrow. Y'all ain't gonna see it Friday. Y'all see this video. But further ado, man, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell, be notified. We waiting for guys. It is free. Cost you not a thing. But yeah, on our way to Walmart. So y'all, we looking at movies and stuff.
It's a good.
Yeah, I seen that. When I seen that, it's a good movie. Like how he did everything.
Set everything up.
Y'all go check that movie out. Super fly. It's for kids, like mature audience, y'all. Mature audience. Not for kids, but mature audience. But yeah, I was looking for a camera, but what I was looking for, I couldn't find it. So I'm continue looking. And also, y'all check out our gaming channel, PictureUsRolling Part 2. Once again, right here, PictureUsRolling Part 2. So I had to get Kit Kats and cat food, but not cat food. I was trying to get the stuff for the tacos. Oh, that's way too big. Oh, all right, where you found whatever brand that's at? It got the same thing, but it got a. Oh, it's right here. Oh, excuse me. Oh, they only got. Well.
Sorry.
Huh?
They have them.
Oh, the 16?
Count.
Oh yeah.
16 count.
That's 16.
This the one she want, this big old bag?
Yeah, that's bigger than that one.
Yeah, it's got more.
Yeah, that's one, cause it's like, what about? Cause you never know. What about you gotta have extra room, and you get that, and it be like barely connected.
You get this and get the small pack. So
Yeah, that's it right there.
I got it already. I got everything.
We're just leaving Walmart. Just checked out. On our way home now.
Yeah, that was nice.
I see you just made it home. I ain't got too much to vlog today. Nifa ain't gonna come home till like 5:30. That gonna be like nighttime. Star don't come home till like 5 o'clock. And this is basically what we doing right now. Watch TV. I will also be gaming today. Y'all gonna get this, not today, but y'all can get it tomorrow. But make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell, be notified. We're waiting for a guy. It is free, cost you not a thing. And also check out our gaming channel at PictureUsRolling 2. Some will, some won't. So what? I'll see y'all in the next video.